So, I mean, first of all, Austin doesn't have a traffic problem. I was in London last week. I mean, the average speed in urban environments is dropping everywhere. The question is, now, what speed are you at now, right? I mean, the average urban speed in Austin is probably like 30 miles an hour. In London, it's about 8. So, in China, it's about the same, right? So, it's all relative. Traffic gets worse everywhere every year. And urbanization is a huge trend. But 50 years ago, about 40% of the world's population lived in an urban area. It's getting close to 80 now. So we're going to see more concentration of people in cities. And that's one of the reasons the Internet of Things is important, because cities need to operate ever more efficiently. They are resource constrained in many ways, and space for roads is one of the ways they're resource constrained, which is why you get increasing traffic problems. Now, something like self-driving cars will actually ultimately solve traffic problems almost completely in a couple of ways. First of all, one of the reasons traffic is frustrating is because there's a lot of things you can't do when you're driving. But if you're not driving, if the car is driving you, then you can do your email, or you can watch TV, or you can take a nap, or you can cook a meal, or pay attention to your child, or whatever it is you could be doing instead. So the car has increasingly become a living room on wheels, and that trend is going to continue. Mm-hmm. But the other thing is, as we move to sort of a majority of cars on the road are self-driving situation, those cars can go faster, they can travel closer. A lot of the road layouts we have today are developed for human capabilities, not automated capabilities. So we'll see more efficient use of the roads we have, changes to road layouts, rapid increases in speed. There's no reason why, if all the cars are self-driving, they can go at 150 miles an hour. Right? Human beings really can't process information fast outside of Formula One drivers, which we have here in Austin every year. Human beings can't operate at those speeds. Well, machines can. So there'll be a lot of things that will change to relieve that traffic burden and to make the experience of going from A to B much more pleasant than it is today. And that's just one example of how the Internet of Things will enable efficiencies that enable us to continue to urbanize.